Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I would like to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. On this channel, you will find videos about how to make money online, fast, easy ways, and also you will find paid opportunities where you have to invest a little bit of money into the program to make the money. But trust me, they're easy. They are very inexpensive, and they are easy ways to make money. You don't have to sit there and worry about, it's not too hard with the paid opportunities I'm a part of, okay? So if you're new to this channel, I'd like for you to like this video, share it to your friends, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video, okay? So today we're going to be talking about the apps that I have on my phone, money-making apps, okay? The first one we're going to get into is Receipt Hog. Okay, and as you guys can see, I have 486 points. I'm at level 5, and that's just for uploading receipts, okay? Now, these are all the receipts I've uploaded lately. I've been a part of this for a while. I have tons of more receipts I have to upload. You can play the slot machine, and rewards are over here. So they do have PayPal. Okay, so you just click on the rewards here, come to redeem prizes, Amazon and Visa, and I have PayPal. So for 1,000 coins, you get $5. For 2,900 coins, you get $15. For 4,300 coins, you can get $25. And for 6,500 coins, you can get $40, okay? Now, I am at 486 coins. Now, once I get to 1,000 coins, that's $5, okay? I have not cashed out on this app yet, but I do know that a lot of other people have cashed out, and it does pay. Okay, so once I do my cash out, I will do a payment proof video for that app. Okay, so let's go on to the next app that I have installed on my phone, called Money App. Now I have cashed out twice on this app, $5. Okay, and right here I'm going to check in and get my 20 credits. And you have to watch a video. Okay, so you just let the timer count down, and once it's done counting down, you're going to hit the X up in the upper right hand corner, and you'll get your points. This is a new app called Appster. You download games and you play them, and you get points for playing the game. Okay, and right here you see I got 2 credits. You see all these games you guys can install and play, and if you click on more offers, they have a fantastic offer wall with tons of things you guys can do. Let's go back. An awesome offer wall. Plenty of other things you guys can do. Okay, just find whatever works for you. Super offer wall, same thing. I did true trial offers on here, and I did not get. I should have had cashed out $5, but it didn't credit me, so they need proof of it. So stay away from the trial offers as much as you can. Just do the like the billionaire casino slots. Do the games basically, because the trial offers, I didn't get paid for mine, so I don't know if you guys would be willing to wait. Be willing to submit proof that you did it. You can do watch videos for two credits. You can invite friends. And the rewards are $5, $10, $20, $50, and I've cashed out twice. Okay, so there's my proof that I cashed out. And that's the Money app. I have 2,000 credits. Once I get to 5,000, I can cash out $5. So the next app we're going to go to is AppFlame. In my previous video, I did a AppFlame hack that you guys can do to earn even more points with this. Okay. What you do is you get points while your phone is charging. It only works while your phone is charging. And there's plenty of other games you guys can install and play. Basically, how this hack works is you go to your settings and click on About Phone, and you find software information. You click on the build number. You click on that however many times, and then when developer options is enabled, you can click on Stay Awake, and this will work only when you have this enabled. It has to be charging. Your phone has to be on the charger for this to work. So let me show you how it works. You download App Flame. You install a game. Like right now, I have Coin Master installed. You click on Coin Master. You let it open, and you let it stay on while your phone's charging, and you'll get the points for it. It'll just rack up points. Okay. So the fourth app we're going to talk about is Bubble Shooter. This is a game you can, if you guys have played this game before, you know how it works. These are just apps that I've installed on my phone that I am going to be playing. There's just an update that needs to be, it was updated, so I'm updating it. And this is actually a really fun game. I'm just going to let it update. Okay, so the update's done, so let's go back. Let's open it. And how it works, you just pop all the bubbles, basically. You shoot all the bubbles, and once you do them all, it goes to the next one. You do it again. And I believe you have to get $10 to cash out on here. Waiting for it to load and open. Okay, it's acting up right now. Sorry. It's being a little funny acting, so Bubble Shooter is on the Google Play Store. You guys can install it on your phone and earn points for playing the game. So we're going to go on to the next app here. If it'll let me. Gift Loop. This is a really good app. You guys, you get paid for doing a lot of things on here. You get paid for swiping. You get paid to do surveys, watch videos, and download apps. You can download and run the app and get tons of points for just doing that alone. Okay. And all you do is swipe. There's a referral link. All you do is swipe. See, download and start. Earn 3,713 coins. You download this and you open it and let it run for 1 to 2 minutes. And then you come back on here and you will earn the points. Right here. Collect 5 points. See? This is just for me swiping. You get points for swiping. I can watch a video and earn 50 coins. And you just swipe, download, and start. 3,931 coins you can get. And here we go. Collect 5 points again. Download and start, same thing. You could take surveys on here. Let me show you what you guys can get. For those of you that like the PayPal Cash. PayPal, 300,000 coins will get you $15 to PayPal. Okay, now if you guys come on this app and you work this, you do this every day, once a day. You don't have to sit here and spend a lot of time on it, but once a day, just come on here and, work the app. It's really easy. And once you get up to 300,000 coins, you will cash out $15 to PayPal. That's how that app works. And next we have Lucky Money, where this one, a lot of the gift cards have, they don't have a lot of gift cards. They've actually ran out. because people have been redeeming so fast. So basically, because I was gonna go for the $10 PayPal cash, but they ran out of that. So right now, let's just show you what they have available. $2 for Amazon, you have to get 3 million. You basically have to get 3 million to get $2 to Amazon, and there's 774 left. These go crazy. There's no $55 Amazon left. There's no $10. There's no $10 for PayPal. There's no gift card for Target left. There's no $20 for the PayPal, but there is $30 and there is $50. So if you want to cash out $30 to PayPal, you have to get 29,400,000 tokens in order to cash out, okay? And how you get that is by scratching and by doing the free tokens here, Tapjoy. And it has Tap Research on here. So Tap Research is a good one, you guys. They have watch the video. You watch the video, you earn 7,068 coins. And watch the video, you earn these coins. After you watch the video, I go straight to Tap Research and do that. So the scratch offs and the Tap Research is where you're gonna earn. And the spin, you can spin. You get 6 free spins and you earn your tokens, okay? So scratching, you get tokens, doing the free tokens, do the Tap Research, and do the spin the wheel, and you'll get your, the tokens are what counts. Like I said, I did not know that they were out of the $10 PayPal until I checked. So you just saw firsthand that they're out of the PayPal $5, the $10 PayPal USD gift card. So if you want $30 or $50, you can get that. You just have to get up to the amount of tokens that they required, okay? So for the next app, we're going to go to the Fish Break. This is an app where you catch fish and you get points. Once you earn the amount that you need, you can cash out. This is actually a fun app, because I don't believe the Fish for Money app is no longer on the Google Play Store. I used to have that app on my phone. This is just letting an ad play, and once the ad is done, you can click on the X and you get your points. But I'm going to show you how that app works. There's tons of these on the Google Play Store. You can choose one that you want to play to get to earn your money. So I chose this one. The app will have, issues playing, but, most of the time it won't. But I have another word search app that I installed on my phone that does work. I have not cashed out on here yet, but this is a really fun app. If you guys like word searches, this is really good for you. Sorry, I have to leave in a minute. So,